Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today I have prepared another blood relationship problem for you. If x plus y means x is a daughter of y, x minus y means x is a brother of y, x% y means x is a father of y, and x times y means x is a sister of y, which of the following means that I is a niece of j? As usual, I recommend you to pause video here, try to solve this problem on your own first, and when you would be ready, you can run video again and you can compare your answer with my answer and explanation. So how we are going to solve this problem? Take a look. If x plus y means x is a daughter of y, so that means plus means daughter. So in our answers, when we see plus, we can put d on top, which specify that, for example, j is a daughter of m and c is a daughter of n. Next, minus means brother, so we can put b here and we can put b here and we can put b here. Next, percent means father, so we can put f here, we can put f here, and we can put f here. And the last one, times, means sister, so we can put s here, we can put s here, here, and here. Now we are ready to solve this problem. For example, let's build a pedigree for the first variant of the answer, and let's check if it meet requirements of our problem. For example, as you see, J is a brother of N. So he is a J, and J is a brother of N. So he is a N, and N is a father of C. So father of C. And C is a sister of I. So C is a sister of I. And sex of the I is not specified, so we use this symbol. And we also can add couple people here who are not mentioned, but we can add them. So again, what is the question? Which of the following means that means I is a niece of J? So can we say that I is a niece of J? Actually not, because sex of the I is not specified. It can be male, it can be female. So J is an uncle of I, but we cannot say for sure that I is a niece of J. So we cannot choose this answer, and let's check answer B. So what do we see here? And we see that I is a sister of C. So I is a sister of C. And C is a brother of N. So C is a brother of N. And N is a father of J. So N is a father of J. Sex of the J is also not specified. We also can add the parents here who are not mentioned. So again, which of the following means that I is a niece of J? And of course, I cannot be a niece of J because I would be an aunt of J. So this is also wrong answer. Now let's build a pedigree for variant C. And J is a daughter of M. So J is a daughter of M. And who is M? M is a sister of C. So this person have to be M, and she is a sister of C. And C is a father of I. So C is a father of I. And sex of the I is not specified, so we use the symbol. We also can add parents here. So now we have a full pedigree. Again, which of the following means that I is a niece of J? And as you see, I, whose sex is not specified, would be a cousin of J and not going to be a niece of J. So this is also wrong variant of the answer. Now let's check answer D. I is a sister of C. So I is a sister of C. And C is a daughter of N. So C is a daughter of N. And N is a brother of J. So N have to be this person in order to be a brother of J. And sex of the J is not specified. We also can add the parents here. So again, the question is, which of the following means that I is a niece of J? And as you see, here's I, and I would be a niece of J because her father and J are siblings, and those J can be female or can be male, but still I would be a niece of J, regardless of the sex. Again, we cannot say whether J is a uncle or aunt, but we can say for sure that I is a niece of J, and this is exactly what we are asked. So we can choose the correct answer, and the correct answer is going to be answer D. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please write your comments, questions if you have any. Share this video with your classmates, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.